normal kan yam kana jalan kontin baro in detailing kanor online tv channel biya kamal mi jiram jidit kanor online tv channel ka jen gwasme gorje en wo jinder subscribe ke dir jen yok nasin ko ken gorje en wo jin babi notification bell je twain ko bleren content lat ka gwasme be kan chwa mala shub kaje re ler kan me mi bana lade warga dan shagor ejection bor re wich kanasir bana jelinkel ramadan la spokesperson ka why army agenda na gor banyo yekel ba je kwen ka thoknath mat ka kora ba je kwen ka tuk english ko kana gor ka tuk english gor kana kuma mala kuma kirmi yadit kan kono ni amre ler kana me jiram jidit nyoga gor sharpin ano katen kona lat ko rodien ko de konti ka ngany murung ka situation da nan we ka mebe re wich nore shi nasar karwa da men wi dialan ko ken na me misinformation da nan cha lat kuma kirmi yadit ko ajel gorno ba je clarify ki ba je la ne dialan kon tintere wiki juba kamanda nan chalat jechen bor ki awayame warga misha gore jechen bore which kanasir gor kene kuma kirmi yadit kene kuma ayo pin doctor ma chatin ngai kona gwano kor choda lare wichin binimi en wo kor mitedi chi kondi alaling en wo chi kor mo che weje ka long rewi kanasir ka che weje ka long kane to kontila de ni kirmi yadit ala sspdf chianga je no sha wi yara diu chaja dak dundo chi kuma kirmi yadit chaja la no en koron chi twok e kene spele mayo alo kam kan credit kam kan kuma spele mayo gero dongdara jechen bor shi ka warga kul gorno bne lariya yene content la jukuma re wi ka so sudan no tele ayo ka tele sspdf mgone connecting content nyen ke ne content kwa ne nak nishang jechen bor ki awayame biya chuling ka do badana chikan warga mo chikan gor ka je baje nywa ka yekel ka ta dana cha gor ka je ne kan je kedish tv biya mandani kan lat biya chuling gwatme no to the government of national unity in Juba, we the Y Army wish to address certain misunderstanding and misrepresentation regarding the ongoing situation in Nasser and resent statement made by Honorable maykɔ. Number one, we are not part of SPLM-IO. Let it be made clear that we do not belong to SPLM-IO, nor do we have any association with Dr. Machar or any other individual affiliated with the SPLM-IO. We are not political movement. We are civilian young men who have taken to arms to protect our people when the government failed to do so. Our confrontation with SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, was not about political allegiances, but rather respond to their continued attack on the people of Nasser County. The South Sudan People Defense Force has raped women, killed elderly people and children, stolen livestock, and disrespected the dignity of our community. We could not stand by while our people suffer at their ends. Number two, Honorable makuei, we have heard your statement regarding Nasser, particularly the claim that those chanting SPLM-IO Viva were soldiers. This is false. Those were simply used making fun of the IO, not combatant. Whatever you wish to say or do as a government, do so. But do not falsely claim that we are IO soldiers. We are civilian under President Salva Kiir Mayardit and have no ties to any party. Additionally, we note your press statement regarding the deployment of heavy weaponry near Dr. Machar residence. When asked for clarification, you threatened journalists instead of providing clear answer. As the government spokesperson, your responsibility is to inform the public, not intimidate the press. If you believe in transparency, we invite you to visit Nasser and see the situation for yourself. Would you come to verify the truth as part of your study? Number three, de-escalation and call for understanding. Lastly, we urge the government to de-escalate the situation and refrain from making statements that further inflame tension. We are not IO, we are not SPLM-IO, not SPLM, not affiliated with any party. We are simply civilian who rejected humiliation and violence against our women and children. We stand for the dignity and protection of our people, and we call on the government to address the real issue affecting communities instead of mislabeling those who speak out against injustice. The Wyoming in Nasser County, South Sudan. Neme ejen dana chikana goren jichen bor. Ke kuita danan kwa kai gui ke jeno ken ku kan sapone espele mayo. Ken shine sapone espele mayo. Ka kon jichen bote gangana gatken gangna dorien gangna wedien gangne ne menko gangne ne gatko ko negyen ken ni syang katelemi lat kuma kema yadide. Dundo ko kum so Sudan tene pin Dr. Machar tene pin kema yadid ko jala kwara nyama. Dundo kema yadid che fail ko der na der ka gang. Ni ndo brana chicken le rikan la rejen go yene wiya ko cha ti cha makuei cha ti no imen cha la no to cha dor Dr. Machar cha je golle de ni cho jong na wiya nan je ko yen ka yen journalist ne kataram de no go ndi kulo ne de anyok me cha nyo te ke duptu gol ko kila jo na wiya biya jonen ci jejen bor ko jogo ne enta jin mi jineto bran kwa jen be wonen ka wangle jin ku ben ka nasir bi situation nan to ka nasir bi benen berbiror bi engaged kene ko ne kon legislation bon bana nye men benen ta dana boko ja namo emishi kanalat no ka ta dana na shawar ga chaje gorke je neten kon tila jejen bor tindier ke teng nuari re wech kanasar neme janana gode nywa yekel e jen war garan cha gor jejen bor mi jiram jidit ko nywane ko ken biata kamal bye bye